Have you been wondering how to use eucalyptus essential oil? Australia is home to more than 700 types of fast-growing, flowering evergreens known as eucalyptus. Part of the myrtle family, these plants can grow to 60 feet tall and 50 feet wide. doTERRA has selected 5 unique species to create its proprietary eucalyptus. Stay tuned to see the many ways you can use eucalyptus essential oil. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburg, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Now, how about those uses? Keep your surfaces clean and fingerprint free with the cleansing benefits of eucalyptus oil all-purpose spray. To create this simple cleaner, mix 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, and wild orange oil with 1/4 cup of white vinegar and 1 3/4 cups of water in a 16-ounce glass spray bottle. Then simply shake the bottle and spray on needed surfaces. This spray is perfect for a quick clean around the house and smells great. Make your shower experience even more relaxing. Place 2 drops of eucalyptus oil directly onto the shower floor while you're showering. The steam from the water will create a natural diffuser for eucalyptus oil, leaving you with a clear, invigorated feeling. After a long day, let your tense feelings go with the help of eucalyptus oil. Put some eucalyptus in a diffuser before bedtime. The aroma of eucalyptus oil will promote feelings of relaxation, preparing you for a better night's sleep. Don't just settle for a run-of-the-mill lotion. Transform your moisturizer into a beneficial product for your skin and your senses. Add 1 drop of eucalyptus oil to a moisturizer of your choice. Rub this mixture together and then apply it to your skin for revitalizing benefits. If you're feeling tension but have little time to relax, don't stifle your feelings. Let them go with the help of eucalyptus oil. Next time you feel tension, place a few drops of eucalyptus oil into your hands. Cup your hands over your nose and inhale deeply. This simple and quick process will give you a calming yet energizing boost. Use eucalyptus oil in your massage practices to create a soothing massage experience. Eucalyptus can be easily combined with a cream or lotion of your choice to help spread the effects of the oil, which also bring moisturizing benefits to your skin. The chemical components found in eucalyptus oil also produce a soothing, cooling vapor, which makes it an ideal oil for massage use. You can use eucalyptus essential oil topically and aromatically, but not internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.